Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last video we showed you how to download and install the Divi 5 theme from Elegant Themes. And we also gave you a walkthrough of what everything does down on the dashboard, down under the Divi tab right here. Now, at the moment we've got an empty site with the default settings. The first thing that you're going to want to do to your site is brand it. Basically put your own credentials in there. And also, we'll change the Favicon icon, or site icon, which is this little icon that appears in your browsers up here. Now, if you don't have a brand or an icon, we can go to our dashboard. We'll go down to our Theme Customizer. You can also actually get to the Customize by going Appearance and Customize. They're both exactly the same place. That's going to bring up this page right here. Under the General Settings, Site Identity, we can put a site title up here. At the moment, it just says My Blog, as you can see there. If I change it to Divi 5 site or whatever you want to put on yours, and hit the publish, if I refresh this page right here, you'll see that it's changed that right there. And if you want to, you can put in a tagline there. Now, the little icon that we see up here is known as the site icon, or in some circles, it's called a favicon. To upload your own, it needs to be at least 512 by 512 pixels. I've got one just that size that I'm going to upload. Just hit select site icon. I've got a little folder here with my various brand icons on it. Here I've got a square one that's 678 by 678, so it's plenty big enough. All I'm going to do is left click on it, drag it across and release. It's uploaded it to our media library. You can give it an alt text if you want over here. Call it what you want. Some people do use these for putting in keywords and things like that. I'm not sure how effective that is today with Google, but it's usually you want to put something that pertains to your actual image itself. Once you've got that in there, hit select. If you need to crop it, you can. I'm happy with it. I don't need to crop that. It's the right shape for me. I'm going to hit skip cropping. And you may notice it's already uploaded it there. We need to hit our publish bar. Go over to our new page here. Now when I refresh, it's updated that little favicon for us, or site icon there. Now, of course, we're going to want to put in our own logo. Nice to see the Divi one there, but it's not going to work for me. To do that, let's go back to our customizer. I'm actually going to get out of the customizer by hitting the X. And our little favicon, or any images that we upload, you can get to them anytime by going to Media and Library. Now, to add our logo, we need to go down to the Divi icon once more. We're going to go down to the Theme Options. And we took you through this in the last video there. Right at the top of the General tab, you'll see Logo. And we can upload our logo by hitting the Upload button over there, doing exactly the same thing as we did before. Simply drag it, left click, drag, and drop it. Again, you can give it an alt tag if you want to. And hit Set as Logo down the bottom there. Perfect. Once we put it in there, we need to hit the Save Changes. And there's a button at the top of the page and a button at the bottom of the page. Now that we've done that, we can go back to the page here, refresh, and we've got our own little logo in there. Perfect. So that's it. We've now branded our site. We've got our logo and we've got our favicon, or site icon, up here. And you've also got your tagline. And I don't really want my WordPress blog in there. To change that, we can go to our customizer again. If you saw the last video, you will know how to do this. Down to Customize. And the General Settings. Site Identity. There's the tagline right there. Just put my brand name in there. Hit the Publish when you're ready. And now refresh this page. There we go. Now, this is only going to appear on the home page. Each of your other pages will have their own little title that will appear up there. That's great. Well done. You've just branded your site. I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Plenty more coming.